Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and make sure you don't miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Wow. So the question today is, what do I need to market to the government buyers? Exactly. What do I need? Now I'm in Sam's, I've got all that taken care of. Well, what do I need to market to the government buyers and how am I going to stand out? So, three things you can do right now is you can craft an elevator pitch. An elevator pitch is a verbal of why I should look at your company as something different. This is going to be really great when you're looking to do that RFP, which is request for proposal, because it's more than just obtaining numbers. It's about why you. So remember the three pillars of who you are, what is your company, and why they should hire you. Who, what, and why. Really pay attention to that and start formulating that in a 2 or 3 minute elevator pitch. You should be able to tell me why just like that. Just come on up with it. The second thing you can do is to make sure you start your introduction letter. Get your introduction letter together. That's the written form of your elevator pitch. That's going to include your who, what, and why. Have your elevator pitch. It should be no more than about 2 paragraphs going into what I just mentioned. Give us that 2 or 3 thing that is unique about you. And the third thing is to look at, building joint ventures, building a relationship, networking. All of that is going to get you closer. Go on lines to some of the OSDBUs, the Office of Small Businesses Liaison, and look and see if they have any events, any viral events that you can do. I'm sorry, virtual events that you can do that probably might go viral. So look at some virtual events that you can do and join in doing networking. All of this is going to get you closer to getting that first contract, or if you've already gotten your first contract, one of many. It is all about continually growing, scaling your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using Gov cleaning contracts. So if you'd like to know more, then guess what you can do? You can click the link below. That way you can come to my free masterclass on how to land a Gov cleaning contract worth thousands of dollars. That's right. You can go from 25,000, 50,000, 100,000. It all depends on what you are willing to learn, implement, and get started. Set the goals. Make sure you actually achieve what what you're looking for. Take it from a dream to a plan. Write it out, plan it out. That's exactly what you need to do. If you're interested in learning more, then make sure you click the link below. I'd love to see you there. Bring the energy, bring the questions, and I promise I'll only keep you for like 40 minutes. And also, I am going to make sure that we have a replay of some of the instant replays in some of these videos. I'm going to do an instant replay. So if you missed it, you can instantly replay it right away. Okay? Okay. So until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.